Somebody comes on. Talk to him. Guys, I'm back in 1 minute. Dave's here.
Awkward silence. Dan will be back in a minute. What's up, Tony? Bill? Brendan? Hang in there for a minute, guys. We'll be starting up here in a minute.
All right, everybody here?
We got three. Tony, Brendan.
What's up, kids?
Tony, Brendan, and Bill.
All right. Sorry, I had to go take care of something real quick. Guys, 2 box break. Not listening. Why you gotta talk to me when I'm doing something? Come on, kid. Seriously? And anyway, not putting anything up on Facebook until probably tomorrow night. And then an eBay break is definitely going up tomorrow night. So, but we're here for 2 boxes. Contenders, Prizm. Lineup. Tyson, Saints, Colts. Bill, Browns, Bungles. Jerry, Patriots, Rams. Tony, Bears, Giants. Tyson Morgan. Packers, Redskins. Katie, Eagles, Bucks. Gary Rudd, Steelers, Panthers. Tony, Broncos, Cowboys. Jerry, Ravens, Bills. Tyson, Titans, Lions. Bill, Jets, Falcons. Taga, Raiders, Texans. Jerry, Seahawks, Jags. Tony, Chiefs, Chargers. Taco, with a spot of the break, 49ers and Cardinals. And then the kid sitting next to me, he's got the Vikings on the fence. All right, kids, let's do this. I want to see if I can do it without this. I want to. Let's do it. I'm going Contenders first because I like Prizm better. I think it's got more potential. I mean, these boxes are so much money. You get 5 autos, maybe 1 numbered, and then 1 numbered card besides that. I mean, you get some rookies and stuff, but I think Prizm's better. So, let's do this. Good luck. First look at Contenders, kid. This year, at least. It opens like a flip box. You can see all this good. Let's get rid of the box, man. Let's get rid of it. So many packs, so much base. Like I said, at least you get some rookies. But let's get a big ticket. Let's get one of those Prizm mosaic things. Another soul. Got the list here. That's your list. These are the thins, yeah. Those are your thicks. When we get the Prizm, your numbered Prizms and your autos are going to go here because they're a little bit thicker. All right, here we go. Good luck. It all comes down to this. We're looking for 5 autos. Like I said, 1 numbered card, and hopefully no PTS. Right there we had some. Oh, that's brutal, Dave. It's brutal. Brutal. All right. Who is that? Fitz. Diggs. Peyton Manning. Donald. Van Der Esch. Ugh. Random to everybody, guys. Any inserts, rookies, will get penny sleeve. Any base can just go. So, that better be the only one from this box. That is stupid. That's just a stupid way to start. Thomas, Fournette, Fitz. Who are you? Knox and Singletary for the Bills. Ridley, Conley.
You want even these? Sleep.
Yeah. Any rookies, inserts, get penny sleeve. It's the way it's always been. It's the way it'll always be. Eli, Brady, Jones, Mecole, and Juan Thornhill. Cousins, Roethlisberger. Not of there. Not of there. Saquon, McCaffrey, Watson. Who are you? Is that Irv Smith? No. Madison, Rookie of the Year. White and AP. Yeah, they put Reggie White in this? Nice. Put Reggie White in. The 250 will get random to everybody. Imagine if we had Breeze 3 breaks in a row. That'd be awesome. If I can get this pack open. Maybe there's something good in there. That's foil. Hey, it's foil. Wilson, Rivers. No, it's just going to be the numbered. Here, take these base. All right, for the Steelers, championship, Juju. 58 out of 99. Juju for the Steelers, Dave. For the Steelers. Bruce Smith, Ryan, Kelsey, reporter.
Can't see the Steelers.
There's 7 spot, Gary Rudd. Gary, he won those on a mini. Come on, let's get big ink. Mixon, Evans, Mahomes, Marquise Hollywood Brown, Contenders insert, Breeze, well, there's a Breeze, Hopkins. Let's clean up after ourselves here. Let's not leave a mess, Dane. Please. Nobody's talking to us, Dave. They just want to see the cards. All right, we're still looking for 4 autos because we got gypped on the first one. Goff, Prescott, Darnold, and another Darnold, MVP contenders. Jeffrey and Ingram. Kept reporter. So much base in this stuff. But there's been no base rookies so far, right? It's just been inserts. Juju, Kamara. Ooh, there's an auto. For the Vikings. Rookie ticket. Dylan Mitchell. Yo, that's you.
Yeah.
Dylan Mitchell.
Never heard of him.
Dylan Mitchell. All right, get yourself a hit. There's a Bryce Love. CJ Mosley and Cleo Mack. Gotta have the big. I want to get one of those mosaic prisms. 101s. Pretty nice. All right, Melvin Gordon. Devontae Parker. A-Rod. There's Sanders and Whiteside for the Eagles. Flacco and Josh Allen. Be nice to get one of those dual autographs, though. I think it's 1 per case that's a dual. Or it was last year, I think. All right, Nick Foles. David Johnson. Next one for the Browns. Mac Wilson from Alabama. Ever hear of him?
No, can't say I have.
Mac Wilson. And that was the last spot off the board today. That was Mr. Cosma that took the Browns. Yeah, in the 2 spot. Bill, Juke. Who we got here? We got a Byron Murphy and Andy Isabella. Derrick Henry and Julio Jones. So what's that? 2 autos so far in points. I'm glad I did this box first and not the Prizm. I love Prizm. I think Prizm's awesome. Sony, Devontae Adams. Oh, come on. Oh, it's a linebacker, though. Skins, Cole Holcomb. Come on. Cole Holcomb. See, there's a lot of guys in this set that have ink that they don't have ink in the other sets this year. So it's like their first. JJ, Tyrell Williams, and Pat Tillman. Oh, come on. So that's 4. We got to have a big one. Come on. Got to have a big one. Andy Dalton. I was going to say, are we on autograph already? Jameis Winston. AJ Boye. Jared Goff. Norman. And Myles Garrett. Still around. We're still looking. AJ Green. It's coming up. So for the Giants. Come on. Wide receiver. Slayton. Oh, come on. Be numbered at least. Come on. Be numbered at least. No.
It's on card.
It's on card, though. So it's going to be a shorter print. Darius Slayton. The Giants. Didn't Schwartzy say he liked him?
Yeah.
Slayton. with the Giants. That was a random. Tony. Troy Aikman, Baker, and Cam Newton. Ugh. So based on that, that's 4 autos and points. So I don't know if we're going to get anything else. Chandler Jones, Evan Engram, Edelman, Curtis Martin, Derek Carr, Zeke. Man, I hate points too. I really do. Hey, at least we got an on-card.
What can you get with them?
You can trade them for cards and stuff. Tyreek Hill, Gurley, Cooper, Miles Boykin, Darius Leonard, and George Kittle. We got 3 to go. And we already got the numbered card out of this too, which was the Juju. And I hate that. I mean, all these packs, they give you 1 numbered card besides the 5 autos. And you're lucky to get a guy that's... There's a Bosa insert, Carson Wentz, Lamar Jackson. I mean, you're lucky to get good names out of this stuff. It's crazy. Prizm, though. I can't wait. I love Prizm. Kenyon Drake, Thielen, Connor, Von Miller, Stafford, Walker. Last pack coming up. Come on, extra auto. Give us an extra auto, man. Please. Le'Veon, Tariq Cohen, Mariota. That's like foily at least. No, it's not. I don't know. That is a Packers, A-Rod, not numbered. Von Miller, Zay Jones. Guys, Contenders. Told you, I'm not a big fan of Contenders, and you probably won't see Contenders in here again. I just picked it up because it was a box and it was new. I think for the price, you can do much better with products. The chase is just too hard. If you want your autograph in Contenders, you're better off just going to get your autograph. All right, Prizm, guys. I love Prizm. Let's get a big box. Looking for 3 autographs. Case hit is the RPA. I think there was 12 boxes in a case. And we're going to have numbered or, auto in every pack. So lots of color, lots of base Prizms. Much more bang for your buck in Prizm, I think, all around. It's hit or miss with Contenders. It really is. I'm not a fan. Sorry. Sorry, guys. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. And a little bit. I can always come back and do it. All right, here we go. First pack. I'm going to see me too. Fitz, Hayden Hurst, Kirksey. I don't see him many sets. Curtis Samuel, D-Hop, Sammy Watkins, Drew Bledsoe, Derwin James, base Prizm for the Vikings, dude. There you go. Harrison Smith, not numbered. And then we got a Jared Cook for the Saints. And that is going to be 106 out of 199 for the Saints. I love the color in this stuff, though. Yeah. Devin White and Caden Smith. Rookies.
Top of them rookies.
No, just penny sleeve, yeah. Pack 2. Yeah, much more bang for your buck in Prizm. And Prizm's not cheap either. I mean, this stuff's close to $220 a box right now. McDonald, Ags, Josh Rosen, Akins, Tajay Sharp, Valdez Scantling, David Johnson, Terrell Davis, Marquise Goodwin is probably a field level 249 short print. Oh, crap me's. All right, numbered Matthew Stafford. And that is 46 out of 175. What? That's it, yeah. Considering the insert. Penny sleeve. Damian Harris and Dexter Lawrence are your rookies. All right, rookies there. That's your base. Let's get a nice low number, too. Why don't we get an infinite 101? That'd be nice. Why not? Westbrook, Frank Gore, Josh Norman, Cameron Jordan, Naeem Hines, Khalil Mack, Warren Moon, Cooper Kupp. All right, Deion Sanders is going to be your high number. Put you there for a second. Got a Jack Doyle for the Colts. 208 out of 249 for the Colts. Tyson. Rookies, Murphy Bunton and Hakeem Butler. Kid Reporter. All right, rookies. Short print. There we go. Still looking for the 3 autos. And we got most of the higher numbered out of the way. We should start hitting some lower number stuff in here too. 99s and under. Here we go. Hightower. Giovanni Bernard. Zeke. Mariota. Jamal Williams. Cam Newton. Tevin Coleman. Damian Williams. Insert. We got like cracked ice under this. I don't want to see it yet. Andrew Luck for the Colts. Insert. And Dion for the Falcons. Cracked ice is, this is blue cracked. There we go, 99. 20 out of 99. Deion Sanders. That's a nice card. The Falcons, who are the Falcons? That's Bill in the random spot. Rookies, Stidham and Irv Smith Jr. Still looking for the autos. Oh, let's get a nice low numbered autograph, please. Please. Staying to the left over here. Sterling Shepard, John Brown, Kenny Stills, Chris Godwin, Malik Hooker, Kyle Fuller, Terrell Williams, Sean Alexander, and emergent insert Cooper Kupp. Ooh. I don't want to give away. That's not numbered. And for the Eagles, we got zebra or snakeskin or camo or something. Ertz. 3 out of 25. That's a nice card.
That's Katie Tory Lynn.
That's Katie. No, it's just on the card. Nice card. Camo to 25. Take that. Travis Homer and Marquise Blair. Still searching the autos. I like keeping them to the end. And the base prisms are hard to get in this stuff too. Willie Snead. I feel the need for Snead, man. Robbie Anderson. Geno Atkins. Deion Lewis. Favre. Reed. Cooks. Archie Manning. Richard Sherman. That's probably a high number short print. Oh, we going ink? We going ink? Let's see it together, man. Jalen Ferguson. Purple for the Ravens. That was our Sherman high number. Yeah. And numbered on the Ferguson is like 49. Just missed his jersey number by 2. 47 out of 49. Jalen Ferguson. Classic. Jerry. Ravens hit. All right, rookies. Jennings Jr. and Devin Bush. Rookies. You can't complain about an autograph 49, though. Could have been just a base. People love building rainbows in this stuff. That's why I love Select, too. Jalen Smith, James Conner, Carson, Lamar Miller, Winston, Fred Taylor, Chris Jones, Staubach. Got a blue die cut coming up. Oh, give us a big rookie. Come on. Derek Carr. Traquan Smith for the Saints. Saints have done good. That's not a die cut. I thought it was.
I'm looking at it.
38 out of 99. Traquan. Blue. It's cracked ice. I love cracked ice on this stuff. Anthony Johnson and David Montgomery. Kid Reporter. Still only one auto, right? Still searching two. Don't forget, could get the case hit too. And I think the time we hit the case hit, it was an extra hit in the box. Ooh, we're backwards there. I think we're going autograph. I thought I saw gold. I could be wrong. Never listen to me, though. Please don't do that. Gallup, Denzel Ward, Jabril Peppers, DJ Moore, Harrison Smith, Murray, D-Rob, Dan the Man. Is that a high number? That's a high number. Joey Bosa, Darnell Savage. What do we got here? Not numbered. Say I told you don't listen to me. Tyson Morgan. Darnell Savage. Don't listen to me. Ryquell and John Ursa. Ursu? Who knows? All right. Still haven't got any of the big rookies, just even base and stuff. I mean, they hold value in this stuff. Kenyon, Mark Andrews, Quincy, Inua, Greg Olson, Will Fuller, Kittle, not Kettle, it's a Kittle, Kelsey, Troy Brown. All right, we got an unstoppable insert, JJ, Randall Cobb for the Cowboys, bronze. Focus, 59 out of 249 for the Cowboys. And then rookies, Boykin and Trace McSorley. Hey, back-to-back Ravens. Yeah. Still looking 1A. Come on. See, at least you know you're getting rookies in every pack. You're getting at least numbered. Parker, Jeffrey, Collins, Lattimore, Leonard, Smith, Roquan, Antonio, Eddie George, Robert Woods, and hey, Roquan Smith for the Bears. I don't think we got any numbered rookies in this box yet. 84 out of 149. Roquan. Supposed to be big time, right?
Big time defense.
Caleb Wilson and Bryce. I need some love. 2 to go. Still looking 1 ink. Come on, finish strong. I think we got it here, and it looked base. Doesn't mean it's not a big name. Deb McCourty, Dunlap, Lawrence, Henry, Crosby, CMC, Warren Sapp, Matt Breida, Carlos Hyde, and Devin White for the Bucks. Katie Lynn. Oh, random. Devin White. Prizm Auto. Yeah. Better give us a one-on-one base in this last one. Adderley rookie and Tony Pollard rookies. Man, no, come on. Something. To 5, something. Good luck. Big Ben, Ertz, Deshaun Watson, O.J. Howard, Jimmy Graham, Curtis Martin, Joe Montana, Dante Pettis, insert Von Miller. We got a Von Miller insert before. At least give us a rookie numbered, please. Jordan Poyer. You've got to be kidding me. I'll give you a Poyer. You want a Poyer? Jordan Poyer for the Bills. That is 9.
Jerry.
9 out of 175. Jerry. And Lonnie Johnson Jr. and Riley Ridley. Oh, hey, at least the Bears got their rookies. Man, not the strongest boxes. Guys, hit recap. I'm going to come back in like 15 minutes and do the points and maybe throw a couple skunk prizes in there too. So let me put something together because that was not the biggest boxes. So I'm going to throw a couple skunks when we do the points. All right, cool. Why not? Even though nobody talked to me. Hello, everyone. All right, hit recap. This is Contenders. We had 250 points that were random. On card, Slayton for the Giants. Cole Holcomb for the Redskins. Mac Wilson for the Brownies. And Dylan Mitchell for the Vikes. Numbered card, only numbered card, 58 out of 99, Juju for the Steelers. That was Contenders. You won't see another box of Contenders in there, I promise. But XR is coming. I love XR. All right, here we go. Numbers and autos. All right, here we go. Prizm, guys. Ertz, the 25. That's a nice card, Katie. It is. 3 out of 25. Dion for the Falcons. Not one numbered rookie. You got to be kidding me. Jordan Poyer. And Poyer was what? 175. Roquan was 99. 149. Randall Cobb, 249. Traquan. Yeah, you get what you get. You don't get upset, but I'm throwing some skunks in anyway. You know me, Tony. Traquan, 38 out of 99. Jack Doyle, and that was 249. Matthew Stafford, not one rookie, 175. Jared Cook, 199. And Darnell Savage Jr., base Prizm. Devin White, base Prizm. And Jalen Ferguson to 49. Yeah. All right, guys. Like I said, no breaks getting posted tonight. Nothing until like tomorrow night. Give it a day. And I think we're going to go back and probably do a 3-box break. We'll do 2 XRs and do the element again. That was a pretty good break we had the first time, so figure try it again. So, guys, I'll be back in 15 to 30 minutes. We'll give away the 250 points. These stupid things. And I'll throw some skunks in. So, guys, thank you so much. Dave, you got anything to add?
Have a good day.
Yeah, peace, kids.